Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to check how many units are in each section on the language you're learning on Duolingo. Now, to do that, you just click up here on section where you see section 1, which is rookie. If you scroll, you see section 2, which is explorer, swipe again, section 3, traveler, and section 4, daily refresh. Now you see that under each section there are amount of units. For section 1 you have 16 units, section 2 you have 14 units that you have to complete, section 3 you have 67 units, and section 4 you have 6 levels. So once you just complete this, you by the time you get to section 4 and you complete it, you are done with your whole course. And each section tells you exactly what you're going to learn. Like section 1 tells you that you start with essential phrases and simple grammar concepts. Section 2, you learn words, phrases, and grammar concepts for basic interaction. Section 3, you will learn more foundational concepts and sentences for basic conversations. And section 4, just complete the course to unlock the section. They won't give you much info on what you're going to do on section 4. But that's it. Hope you find it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.